We do talk about heartbreaks, we do talk about the situations at home, we do talk about the breakup, but we don't talk enough about that 1 minute which is going to make our life, or maybe not life, but at least the next 6 months or 1 year of our life. It is decided by that 1 minute of buffering, that 1 minute of when you just log in your password and roll number and you just see a flash in front of you, it is written successful or unsuccessful, and you just see that. If you too get this, you will understand what I'm trying to speak here. I mean, the thing is to get this feeling that everything you have decided in your life, like कि आपको आगे क्या करना है, is only dependent on if you pass. Like कि मुझे आगे मेरे को घूमने को मिलेगा, या फिर I will do a job, I will. No one decides their life as per the fact that they will fail, because there is nothing to decide. You have to give that exam again. And but okay, if you have to, get back to that too, decide if I fail, what I'm going to do, that is a totally different thing. But in my case, my exams were well. I did work hard. I did my best. I tried my best. And right now, when I'm sitting, like I'm not doing anything, but still, even if I'm trying, I'm not able to do anything. क्योंकि ना आप सोचते नहीं हो, मैं ना बैठी हुई हूँ एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैंने क्या क्या गलत किया था एग्ज़ाम में, एंड आई एम एक्चुअली रिग्रेटिंग इट राइट नाउ कि यार मैंने गलत किया था तो नहीं हो गया. एंड एवरीवन इज टेलिंग मी अब तो पार्टी चाहिए. And everyone thinks everyone can be confident about you, but you are not confident about yourself. It doesn't matter how good your exams went, but still you cannot be this level. I am not, and I think most of you can relate with me. I don't want to say this word, but this fail word is something that I've never ever seen in my life, and most of you didn't. Like till first to 12th class or nursery to 12th class, we have never seen this word on a report card, and most of we do not, because it's hardly 1 to 2 students who do not clear their classes till 12th. The rest of them, they just do pass, and it's not that much of a work. But in competitive exams, they actually tell you ki what exactly failure feels like, and you have never seen this word on a report card. And trust me on this, it's the first failure of life, and how you deal with it actually defines your personality and defines your character. And I just hope that I do not have to acknowledge it right now. बट होता है ना कि आप अपने सब कुछ डिसाइड करके रखा है, आप सब कुछ बार बार बस सोच रहे हो, बट स्टिल यू कैन नॉट डू एनी थिंग अबाउट इट. लाइक देर इज़ नो पॉसिबिलिटी टू चेंज एनी थिंग. रिजल्ट बन चुका है, यू हैव टू सी, यू हैव टू लॉग इन, and it's my result will be at 2, and it's 1:16 right now. Oh my god, it's just like less than an hour left. I'm going to just log in front of you, and I don't know what will it be, but still there is time because they're very punctual about it. And I was literally waiting for this time since 3 months, and now when it's there, I'm actually running away from it. फिर मुझे लग रहा है कि आ भी जाए, बट ये भी लग रहा है कि ना भी आए, and I'm genuinely scared. I have many things to write and many things to say, but it's just so hard right now to speak or to understand what's exactly happening here. Result defines many things, and it's going to decide many things. Sometimes it sucks to be an average student because you are not sure about anything. Because anything can, your life is full of surprises. Because if you are actually intelligent and if you have given very good all your lifetime, you have that kind of surety that हम अच्छा तो कर ही लेंगे. But if you are too bad at your studies, you are sure कि नहीं होगा. But when you are in the middle, you are an average student, you are like 70 to 85, or this kid, you always have that insecurity, you always have that fear, and you always, because you have worked hard, but maybe not enough to come first, and here maybe not enough to pass, but maybe you have done it enough to pass also if your luck supports you. It's so hard. Oh my god, honestly, I'm recording this audio later and I couldn't believe my eyes. I did show my result to my mama and then my Dee bought a cake for me. We cut that cake and my father bought these gifts. I got these two gifts and my father got it for me. And I'm pretty sure this is a pen. And I don't know what it is. My god, it is a pen. I'm going to keep it so safe, like for my rest of the exams or whenever I will sign my first paper as a CS. I'm going to use. Now comes. Actually, it smells so good, so I think it's a perfume. I don't know what it is. I could OMG. Tio.